Hey guys, I'm at the Jubilee Park Road level crossing in Allansford, Victoria. This is a three signal gateless level crossing on the Warrnambool line, which will be receiving gates in the next couple of months, I'm guessing, judging by the fact that all three signal bases are here. I'm going to be seeing an N-Class and a steam rail tour, and Seymour Railway Heritage Centre tour here. This first signal has a Safetran Type 3 e-bell, a standard crossbuck, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a white earth riding software and signal sign, an unmarked base, and that's that signal. Here's where the new base will be, or the new signal. It's quite far away from the tracks, to be honest, but no concrete installed around this yet. There'll be axle counters just over there for upgraded track detection for velocities. This gateless signal over here has an unmarked base, a white earth riding software and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, standard crossbuck and a pole cap. The new base is basically right next to it, so there won't be much changes here. It'll probably be set up the exact same way, but with a red crossbuck. And the gateless signal on this side of the crossing has an unmarked base, white with riding software and signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, standard crossbuck, and a healthy state indicator. This crossbuck has some interesting fonted writing. This is the signal base for this side. It's very big, but this one's already been installed, as you can see. I'll probably see that one over there.